Hi, I'm Nicole from the food vlog Fresh Apron, where I share simple recipes using a lot of seasonally fresh ingredients. Today we're cooking with Maui salmon, and I'm making a cedar plank salmon with zucchini and yellow squash. Let's get to it. This cedar plank salmon with grilled zucchini and summer squash is the perfect summer grilling recipe. It's simple, so fresh, and easy to make in about 30 minutes. The cedar plank gives the salmon a subtle smoky flavor and helps keep it moist and tender while it cooks. Start by slicing a zucchini and yellow squash on the diagonal. Make sure they're all about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thick for even cooking. Add them to a bowl with olive oil, salt, and garlic powder. Then give everything a good toss until evenly coated and set it aside. For the salmon, I'm using Maui Atlantic Salmon on a cedar plank. It comes packaged on a pre-soaked, carefully selected cedar wood plank. Maui is a Norwegian salmon producer and one of the largest salmon producers in the world. You always know it's going to be great quality when you open the package. Place the cedar plank salmon on a small tray or large plate, brush it with extra virgin olive oil, and season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and plenty of lemon zest. All these flavors pair so perfectly with the salmon and cedar. Set it aside while you make your Greek yogurt dill sauce. Prep your ingredients, then add the Greek yogurt to a medium bowl. Stir in the lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, fresh dill, salt, and a little water until smooth and easy to drizzle. Preheat your grill to medium heat. Once it reaches 375 to 400 degrees, place the cedar plank salmon directly on the grill and close the lid. When the salmon's almost done cooking, add the zucchini and squash. After about 3 minutes, flip them over and cook another 3 minutes. You want them to be tender with light char marks on both sides. Carefully remove the salmon from the grill and transfer it to a serving platter. The plank adds a subtle wood-fired aroma and flavor that works so well. The salmon flakes apart beautifully and pairs perfectly with the grilled vegetables and creamy yogurt dill sauce. This portion is great for a smaller meal, but if you're entertaining, it's easy to cook 2 or 3 cedar planks at once and serve everyone straight from the grill. Serve with a generous drizzle of the sauce and enjoy. It's light, fresh, packed with flavor, and perfect for summer. You can find Maui salmon at retailers across the country. Looking for the cedar plank salmon featured in this recipe? It's available online through Amazon. Hope you enjoy this one.